Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to get Canva Pro for free. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your Canva account using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all the features and can activate your free trial properly. After logging in, you'll land on your Canva homepage. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Start Your Free Trial. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to unlocking all the premium features that Canva Pro has to offer without paying anything upfront. Once you click that, a new page will appear showing you different Canva subscription options. You'll want to select Canva Pro from the available choices. This is the premium tier that gives you access to thousands of additional templates, premium stock photos, background remover, and so much more that the free version doesn't include. Next, you'll see a button that says Try it free for X days, where X represents the number of days in your trial period. Click on this button to proceed with activating your free trial. This is what allows you to test out all the Pro features without any commitment. Now you'll need to choose your billing cycle. Even though this is a free trial, Canva needs to know what plan you'd select after the trial ends. Click on monthly as your preferred option. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial period, and you can always cancel before it ends if you decide not to continue. After selecting monthly, click on Review Your Free Trial. This step lets you double-check all the details before finalizing everything, ensuring you understand exactly what you're signing up for and when any potential charges might occur. On the next screen, you'll be asked to select your payment method. For this example, choose Gcash or whichever payment option is available to you. This is just to have a payment method on file, but remember, you won't be charged during your free trial period. Once you've selected your payment method, click Get Your Free Trial to move forward. At this point, you'll need to enter your payment details and authorize the transaction. Just follow the prompts to complete this step. After authorizing everything, Canva Pro is now active on your account for free for the trial period. You'll see all the premium features unlocked and ready to use immediately. Take a moment to let this confirmation load on your screen. Finally, click Got It to finalize the activation. And that's it. You now have full access to Canva Pro for free during your trial period, giving you unlimited access to premium templates, photos, and design tools. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.